Hello everyone, I'm back with some more zoo books, and there are the first 4 of these are from 91 and the last 8 are from 1990. This one is Night Animals. Again, I'm going to have to kind of, there's some stuff cut out of that one. I'm going to have to skim through this just to make sure I have enough time to get through them all. Parrots. Bears. Some of these do have some bits cut out of them. That's sad, but it's okay. Giraffes. Dolphins and porpoises. Kangaroos. Animal Champions 2. We saw Animal Champions 1 yesterday. Butterflies. Seabirds. Cheetahs. Sea otters. Alligators and crocodiles. And that'll do it for today. Thank you all so much for joining me again. I hope you all have a great day, night, weekend, whenever you're catching this. And remember, always make time for yourselves because you matter too. Bye.